go. Hi, Callie. I'm sorry. All three of you. Yes, I know. I've ignored you too, haven't I? Yes, I want to be up there where it's safe. Yes, where it's safe. Not with this big old dog. Yeah.
Jump up there, Molly. Get up there, Molly.
You want to come, Cal?
Callie, you want to go see? You want to go see? Oh, there goes Molly.
What do you have, Molly?
There goes Molly. Where is she? Come on around here. Come on.
Come here, Molly. You want to come up? Come on, jump up. Come up. Oh, there we go. Oh, did you get her in the face? I'll give you $1 for that one. Yeah. Yeah. Come here, Moll. Come here. You want to see the baby? You want to see the baby? Come on, Molly. Come on. Come up here. Come on. Oh, what are you doing now?
Come over here.
You're making a mess is what you're doing.
Oh, there's no mess to be made. No, we can't make a mess around here.
Molly, come here. Come on.
It's already a big mess.
Molly, what are you doing? Oh, what are you scratching at? 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 What?
There you go.
What do you think of this little doggy?
The first meeting.
What do you think? You got something in your face. Come here. You
What
want
are
to
you
get
doing,
down?
Cal?
Cal,
What are you doing? You want to get in the picture too? Come on, let's
get down
first.
there? Oh, you got something on your face. Yes.
Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute.
Oh, yes, she doesn't need her butt cleaned. Yeah. You think she doesn't? Yes, you could be a nice mommy. It would be good.
We're going to be good buddies. Yes. We never cross the street from each other.
Do you remember, Mom? Colby and Roland.
Okay. I'm getting you.
Go get him. Oh, look, Mary.
Oh, here we go. Oh. Ooh. Easy.
Come here. You cannot be manhandled. Look. No. You be nice. Yes, you get her. You get her, Rusty. Yes, you're big, Molly, and I'm going to let her attack you. Look at that.
See, this is a new experience for Rusty. Yeah, see, I'm used to beating up on Callie.
Molly, be nice. Be nice. You have a little kitty cat that you were relatively nice to.
It's so hard with the sunglasses. Yeah. I'm watching you. Oh. You want to be pissed off or what? You want to play? Oh. There. Good.